Homeland, Sri Lanka's #1 and most trusted developer in Sri Lanka, proudly presents Homelands Expo 2025, Sri Lanka's first ever investment forum and exhibition organized by a single developer in Sri Lanka. Now, this expo features an exclusive array of premium properties all under one roof. And Pulse is here at the Hilton Colombo to bring you exclusive event highlights and everything you need to know to invest confidently with the flexible payment plans offered by Homelands. So do stay tuned. I'm Aloka and you are living it with Pulse. What can you say about the ongoing projects showcase at this expo? What are some of the latest projects and what more do you have to tell us about it?
We have 8 mega residential projects right now in Homelands. When you take Greendale, Sri Lanka's first retirement village, and then we have Cressida in Aturugiriya. And with the demand we had for Aturugiriya, those projects, we started putting up a new project Fedora. And then we have our Canterbury flagship project, Sri Lanka's largest residential development. So that we opened up the new phase because of the demand again. We brought in another 100 units to that project. And then we have Oceana in Wadua, Bayfront in Negombo. These are tourist-based projects where we have created a new business model joining the tourism industry as well as the real estate industry.
How do these partnerships with all these banks benefit investors of Homelands?
Today we are showcasing 8 of our mega projects, which are mega residential complexes. Those are cities and ecosystems by themselves, which are backed by the top 6 brands in the country, with financing up to 100% of purchase price with zero equity from the client.
So Ash and Sunny, tell us, how easy is it to invest with Homelands?
Only have to just pay monthly is what we say. Because there's no down payment, no bulk payments, no completion payments, no milestone payments, and absolutely no other hidden charges. We have partnered with top 6 private banks in the country to provide flexible payment options with up to 100% home loan options. So when you say 100% home loan, you can, depending on your age and other criteria, they will decide the rate that you get and the number of years that you can go up to. So from 15 to 30 years, you can get a repayment period, which is flexible. And at the end of the day, for the month, you get only a minimum payment.